Yeah.
That's probably
22.
Let me guess. Yeah, I would go with that. That's probably a bit smaller.
This is 10
When you put it at top right.
Do you see a little lineup up there too?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to go down and help me because you've done this before. Alright, so we'll do that.
Yeah.
Wait.
So pretty much lining it up just lines up the whole engine to where it's supposed to be. I got a new timing chain. Mine's a chain, like I was saying, and I got a new one, so I didn't know where to put it, and I kind of took an educated guess and talked to everybody I could, and it was wrong because I didn't know where to put it.
Can you always crank it over again before you take it off and put it back on?
As long as you line it up again. Yeah, what do you mean?
Let's see what this guy did. This guy did a little bit differently. He cranked it down there, but it lined it up here.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna line it. You're gonna crank that over that bolt like you.
Okay, someone's got to watch. You got to, and you watch it.
Watch what?
Up here. Dude.
Oh, so it.
Yeah, because I see the line already on here. All right, where's that line at?
Make sure it's on the
So you
right.
see that line right there?
Yeah.
There it is. You see it?
Yeah. You might have. You'll probably.
I'm gonna have to crank it a little bit.
Yeah, crank it.
Oh, we can do it right now then.
Yeah, you'll do it right now. Because this, you can see this is smaller than this.
Yeah.
And so this cam will be
So I have
faster.
to check this one down here too, huh?
I mean, we don't know how good the compression is.
Wow, the belt is good. It's kicking right there.
Yeah.
All right, watch your hands.
I'm amazed that these last as long as they do.
I know. Let's get a little.
I feel like getting close down. Wait, hold up.
I can't see mine down here at all. I'm gonna have to go down.
I'm gonna slip off.
No, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit!
Ooh, innovation.
Innovation that excites.
Shit your pants.
Yes. No, I'm just kidding.
Damn it, no, I don't have comprehensive.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Hi, Mark.
You know that? I did not kill her. I swear I did not.
It's bullshit. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, hi, Mark. I love that.
Dude, can you pull this one, Mark?
The Room.
Oh, that's right.
Can you pull this one, Mark?
It is bullshit. I did
I am
not.
so pissed off right now. Okay. Fuck.
It's so.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
I'm Coach Shine, homie, till my heart stops.